If you want to make money from your Facebook page in 22-26, there's a specific checklist you need to hit before you even apply. Miss one of these and you'll get rejected instantly.
Facebook updates these requirements periodically, so what worked a year ago might not be accurate today. I'm covering the current 2026 requirements, so you're not wasting an application on outdated information.
Requirement 1. Your page needs a minimum follower count. Facebook uses it as a baseline signal that your page has a real, established audience
before it starts placing ads or offering payouts. The key thing here, these need to be real, engaged followers, not people who followed once and never came back.
A smaller page with active followers will do better in review than a larger page with dead followers. Requirement 2. Total watch time or engagement over the last 60 days. Facebook wants to see that people are actually spending time with your content, not just scrolling past it. Focus on longer form videos where people naturally watch longer and post consistently. Engagement compounds when you post regularly instead of in bursts.
Requirement 3. Your content has to be original. Facebook checks whether your videos and posts are created by you, not reposted or lightly edited from other pages.
This is one of the most common reasons pages fail this stage. Make sure the majority of what you post is actually created by you, your own footage, your own voice, and your own editing.
Requirement 4. A clean page quality record. Any recent violations of Facebook's community standards, even minor ones you might not remember, can block your application.
Go into Meta Business Suite and check your page quality section before you apply. If you find any flagged content, remove it, and give your page some time to reset before submitting your application.
Requirement 5. Your page category and location need to be eligible. Monetization isn't available in every country yet.
Double-check your settings match a category and region that actually qualifies before you spend time applying.
But here's the thing. After meeting every one of these requirements, doesn't guarantee approval. A lot of people check every box and still get rejected. So in my next video, I'm breaking down the real reasons applications get denied, even when you've done everything right, and exactly how to fix each one. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.